Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple way how you can make photos private on Facebook. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be on Facebook, and when you're going to be here, go to your profile, and then I'm going to see photos here, right? They got added like in the past. Like for example this one here, the photo. What you can do, this is a wonderful picture. And now what you can do is go right up corner to the photo, or like click on the photo, go to right up corner to the three dots, and now you're going to see edit post privacy on the right bottom and only me. When you're going to click only me, only you will be able to see the photo, no one else. It's really important. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide some guidance and support. You know how it goes, you know how it is. Thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye. See ya. You can just click whatever photo you got here. Let me show you. Like this one here, right top corner. Edit privacy, only me. Simple as that. So thank you very much. Have a great day and goodbye.